Hi, I'm Michael from Encodian. Today, I'm going to walk you through one of the Encodian Flowr actions called Convert CAD. So this action allows you to convert file formats such as DGN, DWF, DWG, DXF, IFC, IGS, and STL to BMP, GIF, JPG, PDF, PNG, or TIFF file formats. So let's explore how we can use this action to solve one of the use cases of a manufacturing company that has 50 plants worldwide. Now, each time a plant is optimized, equipment is replaced, or maintenance work is carried out, the CAD plan of the plant is updated. So this happens daily, and many stakeholders need access to the latest drawings but lack the licensing to view the native DWG files. In addition, some colors could not be seen in PDF on a white background, so we can use the Convert CAD action to recolor the plans dynamically. So that's where our solution comes in. So we can take a look at our CAD file, which is a DWG file type. So let's upload one to see how it looks like in SharePoint. So SharePoint doesn't natively support CAD file types such as DWG. So let's try to open it. And as you can see, we're able to open the file, but it will not render properly. So for this solution, first we need a SharePoint document library to serve as the drop-off location for updated CAD file types. In this example, I've created two folders. So one named CAD files and the other converted PDF files. So next, let's create the Power Automate workflow. So the trigger would be a SharePoint trigger. We'll search for it when a file is created. So this is that one. Let's click create. So we'll add the parameters, site address, library name, and the specific folder where it would check for a file. So in this case, under shared documents and under the folder CAD files. Since this trigger will only fetch the properties of the file and not the file content, so we'll need to add an action to get the file content of the uploaded CAD file. So we'll use the SharePoint action get file content and configure the site address and file identifier parameters. So click on this little lightning icon and then select identifier. So in the file identifier parameter, make sure to select the identifier dynamic value under the trigger when a file is created, properties only. After this, we will now add the encoding action called Convert CAD. So search for Convert CAD, which allows us to convert CAD file drawings into other accessible file formats while providing advanced parameters to configure the output file further. So let's select the output file as PDF. And so for the file name parameter, we must include the file extension. So therefore, we need to use the file name with extension dynamic value. So let's select file name with extension in the trigger when a file is created. Then for the file content, select the file content value under the get file content action. We'll also configure the advanced parameters to make the drawing more accessible and readable. So in this demo, we will select the background color as beige and the draw color as black. Then we'll leave the rest of the advanced parameter as default. Finally, we'll add the create file action just under SharePoint, and configure the site address, the folder path, which in this case, under shared documents, converted PDF files, the file name, and the file content from the Convert CAD Encodian action. So we're now ready to test the workflow. So let's click on save and click the test icon. Select manually and then click test. So I'll upload a sample CAD file to the CAD files folder in SharePoint to trigger the workflow. The workflow ran successfully, and the converted PDF file is saved in the converted PDF files folder. So let's take a look at how the converted PDF file looks like. So this is that one. And as we can see, the CAD file has been converted to PDF with a changed background color to beige and the draw color to black. In conclusion, automating the conversion of CAD files to PDF format significantly enhances collaboration within your organizations. So by utilizing the Convert CAD Power Automate action, stakeholders who do not have access to specialized CAD software can easily view and interact with important design documents. So this workflow ensures that documents are accessible to all and maintains the integrity of the drawings with specified parameters. And that is how we can convert CAD files to more accessible formats such as PDF using the Encodian Flowr action Convert CAD.